Pumps, and today I am doing a DIY project with this A right here. I got this from Amazon. If they have any more on their site, I will go ahead and link it in the box below. I've had it for a while. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lights and use that for another project. 2 pieces of scrapbook paper. It may be a little bit too much, but you never know, so I always like to get a backup. And here are the flowers that I'm going to be using glue gun to glue them inside the A. Some of the flowers are full, so I'm going to have to probably remove some of the pedestal, the pink and the white, and I also have a whole bunch of other white flowers that I might use. We shall see. I'm just going to go ahead and place them in there and see the best way that I like it, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue them in there. I also have my pencil, a ruler, glue, and a glue gun. To get started, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the lights out of here first. So you simply just pull these out. But when you get this, it doesn't even come with the lights inside. You actually have to put the lights on there. So this saves you from doing that if you don't want the lights in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and measure, place it on here, and start gluing. Camera cut off, so I wasn't able to show you guys my cutting skills, which aren't that great. So when it cut off, I was just showing you guys, just put the glue on the back of the scrapbook and just place it on there and hold it 10 seconds. Before I super glue them in the A, I want to go ahead and place them in there to see how I liked the way it looked. Something was missing from this A, and I was like, ooh, I want to put some bling in the A. I like bling. I don't know, I just feel like it's going to take it to the next level. So I actually had this for accessory from a dress that I had, like I said, so long ago. When I donated the dress, I took this off because I said, Michelle, one day you're going to use this. You're going to need it. And finally, that day has come. A little bit of glue from the glue gun and just place 3 on there. I think that'll do it and just be perfect.